Good afternoon, my name is Benedict Lamban from the Philippines. Living in Dubai around 11 years. And yesterday, not try because I always bet the raffle draw. I tell to my wife, bet my dream number. Mistake from 10:29, she make 1129 in you win. And now, see what happened. I have my to all my kabayan, just bet. Try and try and try. The more chances of bet, the more chances of winning. Thank you, you win.